If you've been looking for ways to auto-publish Instagram Reels, look no further, because today we're going to dive on into how you can do this automatically and even potentially for free using Metricool. My name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm the US ambassador for Metricool, and I'm super excited to share this with you today because this is a massive time saver. So a couple quick things I want to share with you, because this is going to be an absolute game changer, time saver, money saver. I'm so excited for all of us. So Metricool is a social media tool that I am absolutely obsessed with. What I love about Metricool is that they continually update their features over and over again. And they just recently announced that they have the ability to auto-publish to Instagram Reels. And I'm going to share with you real fast how you can get that for free. So if you check out the link beneath this video, you will see that there is a Metricool link. It is free for up to 50 scheduled posts per month. So if you just need a week or a little bit of extra support so you can go on vacation, feel free to check that out, because that is free for life. Up to 50 scheduled posts, and that includes Instagram Reels auto-publishing. Now, if you want a little more support, or you need more than 50 scheduled posts per month, or ready for this, Metricool also now has analytics, reporting, and data for IG Reels and a few other platforms coming soon. You can actually check that out for free today. For up to 30 days, we're going to give you access to premium Metricool, so you can get insights, analytics, competitor analysis on Instagram Reels. You can check that out. Use code Rachel at checkout to get 30 days of premium totally free, and I am not an affiliate. So let's go ahead and dive on in. All right, you guys, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to head to metricool.com. It's like metric cool, but with only one C. All right, so go to metricool.com, and then what you're going to do from there is you're going to sign in, get all of your accounts connected, specifically Instagram, and we're going to go ahead and actually look at my Instagram here. Now, many of you know, if you have ever seen my content before, that I'm not the world's biggest fan of Instagram, but we do some really great work on Instagram. We get to connect with people, serve people, etc. So while it's not my primary focus, we can still do some cool things with it. So let's check it out. So you can see my Instagram is connected here, and then I'm going to go ahead and select the planning tab here. Now this is cool because you can also see best times to post in their visual planner, and I'm a huge fan of this. So you can see best times based on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. So it's pretty dang powerful. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to create new post. Now, real fast, Metricool schedules for Twitter, Twitter threads, Facebook, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Instagram carousels, Reels, LinkedIn, Google My Business, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube videos and shorts, and sometimes even more, which is pretty intense. But today we're going to focus specifically on Instagram Reels. Now, real fast, if you had a short video, you could select Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts so that it would show up on 3 platforms here. But today we're just going to focus on Instagram Reels so you can see this process in action. Okay, so now I'm going to repurpose my content from TikTok today. So we're going to go ahead and go to one of my videos from a ways back, because let's go ahead and find a good one. You know what? I might actually use one that I just created the other day, just because I do want to actually get that one on my Instagram. So let's go ahead and grab this one. I'm going to copy the link. And of course, if you already have a video that is finished, you do not have to do this repurposing process. I'm going to snaptic.app on desktop. I'm going to go ahead and download that video, and I'm going to hit download. And then if an ad pops up, just hit close. Okay, so I'm going to use the same caption and hashtags for this one, just to keep it really simple. So the video is downloaded, so I'm going to go ahead and close that, and let's go ahead and select that video. So I'm going to click on, check this out, I'm going to click on right here, this one's photo, this one's video. I'm going to select this. You can drag and drop your content into here, or you can click this. We're going to scroll on down, find it in my downloads, we're all set. And I get up to 2,200 characters to make sure that the caption and hashtags are all good to go. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 spaces, and maybe there's some more hashtags I want to add. Metricool also has, this is pretty fun, they have actually Instagram and TikTok hashtag searches. So you can see search volume. Ready? So look at this. At least for some of the hashtags. So I'm going to go ahead. There we go. There's the search volume. I'm going to select books. So I'm going to put nonfiction and see what pops up there. And it usually just takes a moment because it actually populates the similar niche down hashtags, the usage, etc. So I'm going to add that one. That's a pretty specific thing. So I'm going to put books, and then we'll see what it comes up with. Okay, here we go. So see how you can see the volume, so that way you can decide which ones are going to be the best. This is my favorite. Okay, we got some good hashtags. Okay, so from there, you just want to make sure everything looks good. So you'll see what it looks like in the reel, and then you'll see what it looks like in the feed, which of course is a little more trimmed down. So you have the ability to see the preview for both. And when I create my reels, I try to keep the text as close to the middle as I can so it doesn't cut off, but it doesn't always work that way. So let's go ahead and just peek. Looks good, looks good. Okay, from there, I'm just gonna double check my Instagram presets and make sure that auto publish is turned on. And then I personally like to show the reel on feed. So this all looks good. Now we're gonna go to publish now. Okay, ready? Dun, 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 dun. Now this will just take a minute and then it'll be all set. Of course, if you wanted to schedule the time, you would go through that same exact process. The only difference is you would select the date and the time from here, which is pretty cool. This is so exciting, you guys. I know for those of you who needed to see this, and let's go ahead and watch as that comes on through. Now it just takes about a minute, and then once it's all set, it'll come on through, and I'm super, super excited. Check out Metricool totally for free today at the link below, or use code Rachel for 30 days of premium free. This is so exciting. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.